Sometimes we might have an existing list of alternatives, either on our computer or in another program, that we want to import into 1000 minds. Lucky for us, we don't have to add all of this data manually. We can easily import our data from an Excel sheet in just a few clicks. To do this, we go to Alternatives in the menu on the left and click on Import Alternatives, and that'll bring us here. We have to make sure that the data in our Excel file is formatted so that the rows correspond to our alternatives, and the criteria and any other considerations are in columns. So let's say we want to import this Excel sheet into 1000 minds. We click on Browse, select the file, and click Upload. Here we specify which sheet of our workbook has the data that we want to import, so we'll select that sheet from the drop-down menu. The cool thing here is that 1000 minds already has all our data automatically selected, so all we have to do is double check that it's correct. And if we want to specify a different cell range than the one that's selected, we just click on the first cell of our data and drag to select the range we want to import. Then we click Continue. Now we see our data reproduced here, along with the columns of the 1000 minds data sheet that we can match our data to. For example, the column that says Energy Sources on our Excel sheet, we want it to be imported into the Name column in 1000 minds, because those are the names of our alternatives. In some cases, we might not have an appropriate column in 1000 minds that we can import our data into. For example, for cleanliness, it doesn't look like we have any suitable columns for this criterion already, so we'll create a new column. We can also choose to omit some columns by selecting Don't Import This. This way, these columns won't be added to our 1000 minds alternatives sheet. By checking the box up here where it says Update data for any existing alternatives with the same name or custom ID, the data on the alternatives page will automatically be updated to match the data in our imported file for any alternatives in our 1000 minds alternatives table that have the same name or custom ID as an alternative in our imported file. This way, we avoid adding any duplicate alternatives. Now let's check to make sure that all our data are matched correctly. Once we're finished, we click on Check Data Structure so that 1000 minds can check for us that there are no errors. Once everything is okay, click on Import. Now we've successfully added all the data from our Excel file into 1000 minds, and now we can do anything we want with it.